This homework assistance video is to help with Lesson 9, Direct Variation. We're going to do the hot and mild problems. So for the first one, we have Veronica is mulching her front yard. The total weight of mulch varies directly with the number of bags of mulch. What is the rate of change? So when we say rate of change, it's the same thing as asking what the slope is. So we can come over here and we'll start at 0, 0, and we go up 30 over 1, then we go up 30 over 1, up 30 over 1, up 30 over 1. And so we have a constant rate of going up 30 and over 1. And so when we look for slope, we do rise over run. So in this case, we rose 30 every time, and we ran 1 every time. So our answer is going to be 30 over 1, or just 30. Now for number 2, we have the Spanish club held a car wash to raise money. The equation y equals 5x represents the amount of money y club members made for washing x number of cars. Identify the constant of proportionality and then explain what it represents in this situation. So, in this equation, we have y is the amount of money that the club members made, and x is the number of cars that came through, and they made $5 for every car that came through. So if I have if I make a table and I have cars, which is our x, and money, which is our y, if I have 0 cars, I plug 0 in for x, so I have 5 times 0 is going to give me 0. If I have 1 car, I have 5 times 1 is going to give me 5. If I have 2 cars, I'm going to have 5 times 2 gives me 10. So when I look at this table, I see for every 1 car, I make $5. For 2 cars, I make $10. So if I divide, I've got 5 over 1, 10 over 2, which can be reduced to 5 over 1. If I put in 3, 5 times 3 is going to give me 15. 15 divided by 3, or 15 over 3, can be reduced to 5 over 1. So our constant of proportionality is going to be 5 over 1, or just 5, whichever you prefer. And so this means that the club members made $5 for every car washed. So club members made $5 for each car washed. Alright, now you can go ahead and finish your hot and mild problems.